Hello all, my name is Krishna and welcome to my YouTube channel. As from the title you have seen, I'm going to discuss that what gives me the motivation to teach and why do I teach and specifically create videos on data science, machine learning, AI and share it with you through YouTube. So I've listed down the three most important points which drives me or which gives me the motivation to share more and more knowledge. First of all is that I want to give back to our community first, and this is a very important point, guys, because all the things that I've learned is from our community itself, because they were sharing knowledge. Information is readily available through internet. There are a lot of people who are contributing to the community directly, and because of that, I was able to gain more and more knowledge, and now it is my turn is that after I get some expertise, it should be also my duty to share some knowledge with everybody else. So first motivation that basically gives me is basically I want to give back something to the community. The second thing is that I want to improve the quality of the education. When I'll just tell you that when I was in my college days, right, and we used to learn any subjects through books, because that time YouTube online platforms were not that famous. We were completely dependent on lecturers, on books, and at that time still the learning pattern was in such a way that we need to understand everything, but there was some gap because we were not able to understand that thing practically. Okay, so unless and until we don't understand the theoretical stuff practically, we still will be lacking some part of information from there. So now with the help of YouTube, with the help of experience that I have gained through my 8 years of experience in IT, now I think that yes, we need to improve the quality of education by providing the real world scenarios, how they are related with the help of books, right? And that connection, that gap needs to be bridged up. So, and there are many countries throughout the world who requires this kind of help, because still the education system has not improved in each and every countries. There are many developed countries where education is very, very good. There are still some developing countries and where the education needs to be improved. So I can basically play a small role by providing the information through this YouTube platform, and that will also make me still more happier. The third reason is that I want to change the lives of a student. When I was a student, the type of problems that I faced, I don't want the current students to face that same problem. They should be able to get the exact view of the practical applications in their mind through this particular videos, because I upload videos based on the real world scenarios, how things are done. So that will additionally help them. Okay, now always remember, guys, teachers play a very important role. For me also, they were my teachers who had actually played a very important role by providing me the exact type of knowledge that I required at times. And I'm not just talking about teachers, I'm talking about everyone who has let me learn, who has given me some knowledge, who has helped me to overcome some of the things when I was facing some troubles while learning. And it is not just basically about teacher. A friend can be a teacher, our parents can be a teacher, because they are making us learn step by step. So that is the why this 3 points I have just listed it down, and there's still many more points. By teaching, it also helps me to learn more. It helps me to learn more, because while I'm teaching, while I'm uploading, let me just take an example. While I'm uploading more videos on YouTube channel, right, you all subscribers are asking wonderful questions, and because of that, that helps me to research more. And same thing, I'm actually, when I'm researching that, I'm gaining more knowledge, and that same knowledge I'm applying practically. And trust me, guys, teaching is the best methodology to gain knowledge. Trust me, it is the thing, because when you teach and when people ask you different kind of questions, right, you are able to understand that there are various different ways. And always keep that in mind, that this teaching, this sharing of knowledge should always be continuous. Just imagine the first bulb that was created by Sir Thomas Alva Edison. If he had not shared that idea, currently we could not have this electricity, we could not see light during the night times, right? So always remember, sharing of knowledge is very, very important. Try to teach, that will also help you in turn. Try to teach, try to share your knowledge with everyone, try to help people, try to help who are in problems. And yes, that will actually make you a lot happier, because you'll in turn get blessings from everyone. they'll remember in your prayers because you have helped them in some of the situations. And that is the reason why do I teach. And it makes me very, very happy. It always, it always gives me the vision that I am in the state of continuous learning. And that is the best thing in the life. So this was all about a small video just suggesting that why do I teach. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe the channel. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you one and all.